Welcome to today's review on Logitech Mevo Start wireless live streaming camera. This camera is designed for creators who want professional quality live streaming without complicated setups and makes creating content effortless and fun with ease and reliability. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this camera at the best price in the market. The Mevo Start features full 1080p HD resolution so your streams and recordings look crisp, vibrant, and professional every time while providing smooth video capture that truly impresses viewers. You can control the camera completely through the Mevo app on your smartphone or tablet, making switching angles, starting stops, and adjustments seamless and intuitive. Multi-camera setups are simple because the Mevo Start can sync with up to 3 devices, letting you cover events or performances from multiple perspectives without needing additional complex hardware. Its wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi or LTE allows you to stream from virtually anywhere, giving you freedom and flexibility for live broadcasts outdoors in studios or on the go. The built-in battery lasts up to 6 hours, allowing long sessions without interruptions, and if needed, the camera can stay powered continuously when connected to an external source so you never miss a moment. Audio quality is enhanced through the integrated microphone, and you also have the option to connect external audio sources for professional-grade sound, ensuring your audience hears everything clearly. The included 64GB Class 10V30 Micro SD card gives ample storage for recording and transferring files to other devices without hassle, making it perfect for creators who need reliable memory solutions. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry around while remaining sturdy enough to handle regular use and travel. Setup is fast and straightforward, so you can start streaming almost immediately without hours of configuration or technical headaches, which is perfect for creators who value efficiency. The camera also includes intelligent app features like Auto Director, which automatically switches angles, giving your live streams a professional feel even if you're working solo. While the Mevo Start is slightly higher in price compared to standard webcams, its combination of portability, high-quality video multicam support, and app integration makes it worth the investment for anyone serious about streaming or content creation. Some users may wish for longer battery life beyond 6 hours for extended events, but the option to connect to power solves most issues and ensures uninterrupted recording. The wireless functionality reduces cable clutter, but depending on network conditions, there may be occasional latency or connection hiccups, which is typical for streaming devices and easy to manage with stable Wi-Fi or LTE connections. Overall, the Logitech Mevo Start provides a versatile solution for live streaming beginners and pros alike, with professional features in a compact package that is simple to use and reliable. Its combination of HD streaming, multicam capability, app control, audio flexibility, and included 64GB memory card make it one of the most complete options on the market for creators who want quality without complexity. The camera is particularly ideal for content creators on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Instagram, where high-quality visuals and audio are critical to engaging your audience. Its portability and ease of use also make it suitable for small event coverage, live interviews, and remote streaming tasks where traditional setups would be cumbersome. If you want to elevate your streaming game with a professional feel while keeping things simple and mobile, the Mevo Start offers that balance in one package, making it highly recommended for creators of all levels. Don't forget to check the link in description below to grab this camera at the best price and start creating high-quality content immediately with minimal setup and maximum impact. This camera is a solid investment for anyone serious about streaming, offering reliability, performance, and flexibility, all in a sleek, easy-to-carry form factor that supports your creative ambitions and ensures your content stands out.